raining out. Rain in America. A 48 hours expose. On the first couple hours when it was raining, people were welcoming the rain, for they hadn't seen any rain in days. By hour 7, people were wondering, is it gonna stop raining? I locked the door. That's my guitar. That's the big screen TV that sucks you in, man. You just keep watching it because they're like, what's gonna happen now? By hour 24 of the rain, people started to really be concerned that they were getting too wet. I gotta get back to you on this. All right.